Yes, my people, we are going to see how far work they have done on the Ifite Awka Overpass that will connect the two sides of Awka over the Enugu-Onitsha expressway. Yes, we are very close to the site, and I just observed this walkway, but the walkway has not been in much use, but this time I discovered it and see that few people use it. But something came to my mind, and this is not the first time I've said it. This is the time to get our future in good shape before development takes over. Now, listen. You see this place? This is the time the government would have constructed a service lane. There is need for service lane within all this express covered area in Oka. Now, it may not be a problem, but in future, there will be a very, very huge problem. I am very, very sure of what I am saying. Now, the government would have constructed service lane at both sides of this expressway. The expressway is for fast moving vehicles, and Oka is a city. You expect vehicles to move, at not very fast speed because of where they are going within this Oka axis that is stretching from Amobia down to Amansi side. By now, we are supposed to have a service lane at both sides of this road. Well, if you ask me, by now the federal government is supposed to have made it as a law that anywhere a federal expressway passes, that states should have their own service lane at both sides to avoid interrupting the movement of vehicles on the federal highway. Well, let me stop at that and face why we are here. This is the exact place for this overpass. This machine is the piling machine. Is the piling machine, piling, you know how piling foundation is being done. The machine will strike it inside the ground before the surface casting goes up so that it can carry any type of weight. So, but I observed that this overpass is just to cross over to the other side. Vehicles are not going to drop from this place inside the expressway according to the plan that we saw flying everywhere. Just like these places that are indicated, vehicles are not going to come up or drop. There is no movement from this place into the expressway. But it is not an issue anyway. The major thing is that the two sides are being connected. But, people that have very detailed eyes will observe this thing I'm saying. The plan indicated that that vehicles are going to be dropping from each side into the expressway. But looking at here, you will see that it's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's just to cross over and to cross over the other side, which is still very, very okay. Very, very okay. That is the point. So, but then we are overlooking it from the side that goes to Amenyi, looking at the expressway and the whole area, what is going on. Well, from what we saw last time, the job is going on slowly, but it doesn't matter. What matters is the time frame given to them. If they are given 1 week to finish the job, they can use 6 days to do the foundation. So far, the job is completed within 7 days, just for instance. And you know that this kind of work is not that static. There should be, or there could be some variations, plus or minus. But when the plus or minus is very big, that is when the issue comes up. So these are the iron rod construction formation that will be used for the pillars. So let's move down there and see some more. Look at it here. They've all been formed. They've all been formed, waiting for casting. So yes, this overpass is going to solve a whole lot of problem today and in future. It's going to decongest Aroma Junction, that's Aroma flyover, to a great extent. And also, we have said it in this channel, this kind of gesture should have been extended to Regina Celli. Regina Celli should have this kind of, construction. And Regina Celli own, if they are to do it, it should be this type of one in the design that vehicles will drop on the expressway and climb from the expressway into the connecting roads. That the exact design that we saw here, that would be the best for Regina Celli. So many people have been calling for it, and we are yet to hear anything from the government in these regards. But everything cannot be done in one day. But where people are pointing hand, there is need for that to be looked into. Actually, there is no connection. Before you connect express, you must move down to Kwata or go to Aroma. And this place will be a very good place, as in the Regina Celli, to connect it at that point. It's going to be a good idea, and making it to be the type that will be dropping vehicles from the expressway into Regina Celli, or from Regina Celli into the expressway. That would be the best. So we are still observing this area, and let's move up towards this axis and overview the entire project site once again. Thank you.